Hello and welcome to a new video for SalePro. Okay, yeah, as you know, this is a POS inventory system, the best POS inventory system out there. Okay, and here, what you can do is you can add any translations you want. Whatever is present in here, like dashboard, product, purchase, or whatever the strings that are already present in there, you can change the translation. Okay, add your own translation for your own languages. There are so many languages already available, and new ones will come in future as well. If you want to add translations for them, you can do that yourself. Okay, no need to have an intervention from the support team or the developers. So what you can do is say for example, if you are adding a new translation, or if you have seen something, some strings like db dot with db dot prefix in SalePro, that means the translation key is already in the database. DB stands for database, so that's not a bug or something, or this is not broken. So say for example, it's written like db.select recipe or db.add ingredient, it's misspelled, or db.wastage%, whatever the string, these are already present in the database. What you need to do is add translation. So if you see any missing translations like this, you can add your own translation, or if you want to add or if you want to update the translation, existing translations for strings like product, product list, category, add product, something like that, you can do from languages, translations. Here you go, settings, then you go to languages, and from here you go to manage translation. Okay, this language module, it shows all the available languages in here, and if you want to update anything about it, you can update from here. You can search languages in here as well. So you can add new languages from here. Then what we were up for is managing translations, so we will go to there, and we solve something like select recipe. So we will add select recipe. Let's just check if that was correct. So, let's just go for add recipes first. So that shows first add recipes, and we will put something like add recipe as value. So this is the key, and this is the associated value. This is the translation we want to show on this button instead of add underscore recipes. Okay, so we will just hit add, and let's reload this page, and it should show add recipes. Add recipe, yeah, it's perfect. So what we need to understand is we were adding translation for English language, and that's why we came in here. This is pre-selected as it's the default language. If you want to add a translation for a different language, just select that language from the language list, and then search for the key. Add underscore recipes was the key in this case. You can search for the key, and if it's not found, put the key in here and put the associated value in here and hit add. Okay, this will be added. This should be added. And if you want to update translations for, say for example, products, so all the strings with the term product shows up in this list. So say for example, if you want to update the translation for this, this is the key and this is the value as it shows in here. So we'll just hit update, and say for example, we'll just put a 0, not that thing, and save changes. Nothing shows up in here, but it will show up when we refresh. Okay. So if we search for product now, you will see a 0 is put in there. And if you want to delete the translation, you can do it from here as well. But obviously, I doubt we will ever need it. Just in case if you do, you can do that from there. So that's it for today. Okay.